Hi, I'll start off by apologising for the sound quality. The simplest answer to your problem for adding up trim on a switch for launch mode and then we'll switch it off. I'm assuming that you can use Opentx Companion for setting up your QX7 transmitter. So we'll open up a model here. It's been set up as a wing, and in Inputs tab and Mixes tab, that's all going to be very familiar, similar to what you have on your own. For the purpose of what you want to do for your trim, go into Flight Modes tab. In the first Flight Mode 0, go into Name and enter Flight for argument's sake, as that will be your normal flight mode. That's all you do in that tab. In Flight Mode 1, go into Name and in there type something like launch, as this is your launch mode. Go down to the next box, switch, and select the switch position where you would like the launch mode to be in. So I'm going to use SA, switch A, middle position. In this box, the drop down box there, it starts off as default there, use trim from flight mode 0. Open it up and use trim from flight mode 0 plus own trim as an offset. Select that, and this slider is your elevator trim. Bring it down. That's basically where you're going. Those are the adjustments. That's where you can vary the amount of trim that you're putting in. I'm going to set that at roughly 50, 52. It's out there. You can type it in there, and that's it. To demonstrate it, we'll go to simulate mode. I fly mode 1, so left stick is my elevator. And as you can see, the two middle top values here represent the elevator servo, the elephone channels, up, down. If I put switch A into mid position, you can now see that I have -5.1. So I'll have some up trim in there, and you can also see that the up elevator trim tab has also moved from the center position to there. Also on the screen, you'll see it's now telling you on the screen that you're in launch mode. You switch SA off, tells you on the screen that you're in flight mode. Back, switch the flight mode, launch mode on again. Trim's on, as you can see, but also if you've had to add a little bit of trim, we'll do it this way, switch the launch mode off first. If during your flight in normal flight mode you've had to add a bit of down trim for argument's sake, to trim the model out for level flight, as you can see we've now got a bit of down trim in there. Next flight, you go to do your launch, you switch in your launch mode on, and as you can see, it has put in that same amount of trim, which is now giving you up trim over and above the normal position. So it's a 1.6, and you switch off your launch mode, go back to flight mode, you're back to what your normal trim was set up for normal flight mode. And that's it. Shut down the simulator screen, shut down the setup screen, and save your settings back to your transmitter. Job done.